What is that right over there? Now you should take a look at this. This is one of the things that
Can you repeat that?
be very hard to discern for somebody who hasn't seen it previously and is going to end up seeing it for the first time on the exam. What is that?
What is it, Daniel?
I don't know.
Say again? Yeah, well, let's be more specific. Yeah, now there's, you can see the pole of the inferior horn of the lateral ventricle right there. Now you have to get the right angle to avoid the reflection. You have to move your head so you don't see a reflection. The pole of the inferior horn.
That's the indentation?
Yeah, that's right. So that's as far forward as you can go in the inferior horn without falling out of it. Now, what does that say about which side this is on? Yeah, how do you know that? That's right. Well, it's the same as that one when we see the poles of the anterior horns. You can only see a pole of a horn like this by looking from posterior toward anterior. So on the flip side of this, there's no inferior horn. It's just centrum semiovale. So this is one of the ones where I can ask which side without showing the other side. And it's likely I will do that, so be prepared for that. And then here, you should know this gray matter and this. I want to say this again. This is the amygdala, this massive gray here. Now I can see that clearly looking straight down. At this angle I see a reflection, so you have to look at the right angle. The amygdala, and then over here, this is the uncus on the medial surface of the temporal lobe. And then that means I have to correct something that I said on one of the virtual coronals.
Oh, yeah.
Where I said this is the parahippocampal gyrus. Now, when I looked at this, I realized I had made an error on that one. It's not parahippocampal gyrus here, it's uncus.
And you tested
Where?
us on it.
Say again?
And you tested us on it.
Yeah, so now you should know that.
Where? Can you repeat that?
I will take what you said, though, if you put down parahippocampal gyrus.
Can you repeat that?
So on that test, but you should know that actually that was the uncus. If it's medial to the amygdala, it's the uncus. That's the story on that one. And the uncus is a paleocortical olfactory area, which is also concerned in part with the limbic system. That's what that is.
Awesome.
And then actually the parahippocampal gyrus is posterior to the uncus. So when you see just inferior horn of lateral ventricle, posterior to the pole, so you can see the hole going all the way through, then what you'll see over here is parahippocampal gyrus then. But near the poles of the inferior horns, it's amygdala and then uncus.